Assalamu alaikum. Think you know Arabs before Islam? Test your knowledge with these rapid-fire quizzes from the award-winning book The Sealed Nectar. Are you ready for an interactive quiz? What was their idea of keeping a promise? Sacred. What would some Arabs sacrifice to keep a promise? Children. What did the Quran say about wine/gambling? Their sin outweighs benefit. What was a major tribal custom regarding conflict? Suspension during sacred months. What did the Arabs hate most? Humiliation. How did tribes identify leadership? Avarice for power. What stopped some bloody conflicts? Tribal alliances. How were Bedouins seen ethically? Truthful and simple. What is meant by unity of blood? Common tribal descent. Why was gambling accepted? Profits went to charity. How did free women compare to slave women? Much better. Why did some bury daughters alive? Shame and poverty. What did the Prophet, PBUH, say about pre-Islamic fornication claims? No claim in Islam. What term is used to describe their overall social condition? Dark and ignorant. What trait made Arabs suitable to carry Islam? Ethics and willpower. Who was seen as the greatest calamity among women? Slave women. What did their poetry glorify most? Hospitality and bravery. What was the Arab approach to self-esteem? Defend it fiercely. What did pre-Islam Arabs lack in ethics? Forbearance. What did Islam do with Arab ethics? rectified and elevated them. What Arabic word shares spelling/pronunciation with generosity? Grapes, inab. Which was not a pre-Islamic virtue? Treachery. What would an Arab sacrifice for a covenant? His children and home. How did Arabs show generosity? Sacrifice personal sustenance. How is pre-Islamic society summarized? Ignorance and superstition. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for daily video Seerah. Quranic Arabic. Like, share and hit the bell.